Are you looking for a quick way to set up a referral program with Folk CRM? In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process, showing you how easy it can be to get your program running in no time. By the end, you'll know exactly how to leverage Folk CRM's powerful features to enhance your business and grow your customer base through referrals. First off, let me tell you why Folk CRM is so ideal for this. Folk CRM is a customer relationship management tool designed to help you organize, automate, and track your interactions with clients in a way that feels personal but also efficient. The platform is especially great for businesses of any size, looking to leverage CRM functionality while keeping things simple and flexible. Now, let's dive into setting up a referral program using Folk CRM. If you're new to Folk CRM, don't worry, this won't take long. The software makes setting up a referral program incredibly easy and intuitive. What I'm going to show you today can be done in just a few minutes, and you don't need to be a tech expert to do it. To start, you'll first want to create a new workflow within Folk CRM. Think of workflows like automated systems that perform actions on your behalf when certain conditions are met. For example, you can set up triggers that automatically send emails to your contacts once they've referred someone. It's about making the process smooth and efficient. Once you've got your workflow set up, the next step is deciding what kind of incentive you want to offer your referrers. Whether it's discounts, free products, or another benefit, Folk CRM gives you the flexibility to customize how you reward your customers. Setting this up is as simple as creating a tag or a custom field within Folk to track referral rewards. You'll be able to track who referred whom and easily assign points or rewards. Next, Folk CRM allows you to create personalized follow-up sequences for each referral. For instance, you can set up an automatic email that gets sent when someone makes a referral. This keeps the process engaging and personal. You can even use the dynamic fields within Folk CRM to customize your email content. So every email feels tailored to the individual, which is a great way to build stronger relationships with your customers. As you're setting this up, be sure to test the process to make sure everything runs smoothly. You don't want any hiccups once the program goes live. Folk CRM also allows you to segment your contacts so you can send tailored messages to specific groups, such as new customers, long-time clients, or even those who have previously referred others. If you're wondering how to track the success of your referral program, Folk CRM has you covered. It provides powerful reporting tools that let you monitor how well your referrals are performing and which customers are bringing in the most business. This data is crucial for understanding your referral program's ROI and figuring out where to make improvements. Now, here's the exciting part. You can actually start using Folk CRM for free, and I've got an exclusive deal for you. Check the link below to get started with a free trial and access some special bonuses that will help you set up your referral program with ease. The best part is that you'll get to experience how Folk CRM can help streamline your workflow, automate key tasks, and boost your business in just a few clicks. No need to waste time trying to figure out complicated software. Folk CRM simplifies everything, from setting up referrals to tracking results. So, there you have it. You now know how to set up a referral program with Folk CRM. Don't forget to check the link below to start your free trial with exclusive bonuses that will help you hit the ground running. Whether you're a small business or a growing enterprise, Folk CRM is the perfect solution for setting up and managing a referral program that drives results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.